Hello everyone, welcome to Lounging with Lenny. Today we are making Italian dish sausage and peppers. You need 1 onion, cut in half and slice it. Take 1 green bell pepper, cut it and get rid of white ribs. Make sure you wash and dry all your vegetables before you start cooking. Slice it or julienne it, medium size. Put it aside in a bowl. Do same thing with the red bell pepper. Cut it, get rid of ribs, and julienne it. You can use orange, yellow, or any other bell pepper, whatever you like. Slice 4 cloves of garlic. I'm a big fan of garlic. I put garlic everywhere, except ice cream. Open the pack of sausages. Make sure your saute pan is hot. Add olive oil and sear the sausages. So I got Italian style chicken sausages. They're ready with the peppers. Make sure you sear them till they are golden brown. Do not burn. For this recipe you can use turkey sausage, beef sausage, you can also use lamb if you like, but I'm using chicken sausages. After you sear them to desired color, put them on your cutting board, let them cool for a minute. Cut them on the bias, you want to get even slices. In the same saute pan, cook your onions. Add your bell peppers. Stir it. Add your garlic. Add sausages. Make sure you stir it. Add your diced tomatoes. I'm using canned. Add your dry oregano, salt, tomato paste. You want to add some sugar to kill the acidity of tomatoes. Fresh black pepper. Add good amount of fresh basil. Mix it all and cook it for 10 minutes. Finally, we're done with the dish. Enjoy. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.